Imagine saving 10+ hours a week using 100% free AI tools. No coding, no subscriptions, just pure productivity. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Use it to instantly write emails, outlines, LinkedIn posts, even entire reports. It's like having a writing assistant that works 24/7. Tool number 2, Notion AI. Turn long meeting notes into tasks and summaries with one click. It's your personal project manager, minus the salary. Tool number 3, Tome. Need a pitch deck or product presentation? Tome builds slide decks using your text, automatically. Tool number 4, Looka. Want a brand logo or color palette in 2 minutes? Looka designs your entire visual identity for free. Tool number 5, Opus Clip. Upload a long video. It clips the best moments into viral shorts, perfect for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Want to save time, automate tasks, and stay ahead of AI trends? Subscribe to AI by AI, where machines tell their story.